Hello out there in YouTube land. I'm bored and I just broke a couple of nails, so I wanted to soak my my acrylic nails off since I wasn't happy with them anyways. And I just want to show y'all that I had to get this big container. I shared it in one of my videos before, when I went to Dollar General and I found that new Maybelline polish. I picked this up and I've just been like throwing random things in it, but this is just like an example of just the overflow of crap that I have. Like, look at this, a box inside of a box. I didn't even realize I had all of these until just a second, because when I put them in there, I don't even think I was thinking about it, but like, I just have random crap, y'all. Here's another box of crap. Here's bags of crap, like, well, I'm not gonna say crap, but like Dollar Tree stuff, and y'all, I mean, literally, I can't even fit this back in there. A while back, I shared with you guys something called SnailsNails soak-off gloves. Let me get them out really quick. These, like, game changer. Okay, these gloves are flipping amazing, and they soak off your whatever like really good, and you can still use your phone while doing it, which is super awesome. And they don't cost much at all. Like, they're super affordable. You get them at SnailsNails.com, and it's 100% pure acetone, the only all-in-one soak-off polish remover product. It tells you what to do right here, and this is what the gloves look like here. So the tip you see up here, those are just like the cotton pads inside that you know, that your nails will be inside while soaking off. This is one package, and one package contains 2 pair of gloves. So I'm gonna snatch one of these out of here. Boop. Oh, look at my new phone case. This is so cute. I love leopard print. I got this little clip ringy thingy from Dollar Tree, but my case is from Amazon. I got it for $4, y'all. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these, and I'm gonna show you guys how you put them on. Actually, I'm gonna cut my nails down. You see I broke this thumb, and then I have a pinky broke on the other hand. So I'm just gonna use this thingamajiggy, and I'm gonna cut them down a little shorter. Okay, so I have them open, and I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, I forgot to cut my nails down, so let me do that. Go ahead and just chop them on down. Shoot. And I can't get this over the rhinestones. I'm gonna have to flip those off. This one cracked. See that crack there? Alright, I may have to leave this. Let me see if I can get it off a little. Okay, so I have one on. Got them all right and ready to go. So what's great is you can still use your cell phone, your tablet, your touchscreen devices, because these gloves let you do so. Like, they work while you're touching touchscreen devices, which is really awesome. That's my favorite part about them, and also that they work amazingly. So you'll let them soak about 20 and 25 minutes or so. I can't remember how long they took the last time when I tested them, but not bad, because you get to, you know, work use your phone and stuff while you're waiting on them to soak off, which is really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on. They're both on. I'm gonna go ahead and let them soak, and I will come back when it's time to pull them off. The only thing, I forgot to cut them down a little bit further before I, was ready to go ahead and put the glove on. I meant to cut them down a little bit more shorter after I flick those rhinestones off of them. So that's just gonna take it a little bit longer to soak off, but I'm just hoping what's on my nail bed will basically soak off pretty good, and then I can just, pop them on off. But yeah, I wish I would have cut them down a bit shorter. They're still quite long, and I just forgot to do that, just rushing. And I'm touching the screen, y'all, with the gloves on. You can use your touchscreen devices, see, I'm pushing buttons, and wear the gloves, see? That is so awesome. I love that feature. All right, y'all, I will be right back. I see that some of the polish is coming off. I don't think the nails have really soaked off. They've dried out, but I'm gonna take them off and see how much has came off. Here, I'm gonna show you guys a little closer. See, the polish is for sure coming off, and I know one is off because this is loose, but I'm pushing on the parts I forgot to cut shorter, and they're still, on there really good. Here's some more of the polish. So I'm gonna pull them off and see if it worked, because like I said, they dried out, much faster than they did last time. Pull the tips, and they'll come right off. So, whoa. Let me see. Use the gel polish remover tool and just go underneath and see if it's loose. Yeah, there's one. So this one came off in the glove. Alright, so those are off. A little piece here came off really quick. Oh, here's another little piece. Alright. It's hard to do this hand. This one, that one's on there a little pretty good still. My gosh, it looks so crazy, so messy. Okay, there's that one. That one, and they're coming off really easy. It doesn't hurt. I'm not putting, like, yanking it or pulling it or anything. It's just, let's see, this one, it's actually, all of this is like pretty much soaked off. Like, this is all my nail here and here. It's just this top part is on there pretty good, it feels like. Oh, there we go. Okay. I just couldn't get under there, right? There we go. So, yeah, I thought that, oh no, my thumbnail didn't soak at all. Must have been dry in the thumb. Let me, yeah, the thumbnail completely dry, or I don't know if I even had it in there right. Yeah, I think it was just dry, because I didn't have one on this thumb, and it was some in this one, but this one I think was completely dry because not even the polish is off. So let me get some of this excess off, and then I'll just soak that the thumbnail separately. Okay, remove some of this here. So I can see if there's any acrylic left on that I do need to get off. Oh, you know what? I forgot that this is gel, so I'm definitely gonna have to soak that. Y'all see me? I'm trying to take it off like it was regular polish. I forgot. So yeah. So it's still a little bit, just some little pieces left on the nail. So I'll just have to go over it. Here's a piece left on here. Get the excess off. I'll be all done. So all in all, it still worked pretty good. I'm getting some of it off with the gel remover tool. It's lifting. Yeah, I'm gonna let it soak a little bit though. I don't want to keep forcing it off up here. It's pretty tight. So yeah, all in all, they still work pretty good. So that is it. I used my 100% pure acetone Snails nails soak off remover gloves to remove my acrylic nails with gel polish on them. And yeah, definitely a thumbs up. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go to their website and check them out. They're also on Instagram at SnailsNails Official. Go give them a follow if you're on Instagram. The website, like I said, SnailsNails.com. I will leave a link in the description box for you guys to go directly to it. Yeah, be sure to give this video a like. If you have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm on my way to 1K. So please, please, please make sure you guys subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.